I took the longest available excursion, and it followed the route traversed in 1898 by the Klondike Stampeders on the Gold Rush.
Down into the Bridal Veil Falls. If you look over beside us on the left-hand side, at the top of that mountain pass, that is the Sawtooth Peaks and is 7,000 feet above sea level, and the tallest peaks you'll be seeing with us today.
Across the valley you can see the cut through the trees where we traveled from right to left after we left Skagway. In just a moment, we'll be hugging the mountainside at what's called Slippery Rock, and that's that sheer rock face that we can actually see from down below. Imagine what it must have been like, and they had it for these workers that worked on this railway. They had to wake up every morning and climb all the way up from the valley down below, which is about 1,000 feet down there. They had to bring all of their supplies with them, their picks, their shovels, everything that they needed for the day. Quite the trek to work, as if you ask me. But after we go past Slippery Rock, the men had a huge challenge of trying to bridge this 900-foot chasm or Glacier Gorge with a wooden trestle bridge. Now, shortly we're going to cross this trestle bridge and then enter into a dark 250-foot tunnel that had its final blast on January 26, 1899. Now, lots of cameras over the years have grabbed a great photo of the engines as they head over across this bridge and into this first tunnel. I do want to warn everyone, it is very dark inside this tunnel, so if you're up moving around, I would stay where you are. Walking around in the dark is probably not the best choice. Mountain. It's nicknamed after the Inspiration Point mine, where silver ore was mined in the late 1920s. The mine sat about 3,400 feet above the valley, so the owners had to build a tramway to move the 30 tons of ore over here to the railroad tracks. While it only operated for a couple years, remnants of the tram are still visible as a dark rectangle close to the very top of that mountain. It is also an excellent place to spot cream-colored mountain goats sunning themselves on these warm rocks or grazing in the small greeneries. Now, they are very hard to spot, so if you see something moving around, you've probably found a mountain goat. And please, I ask a favor of you, if you find one, share that information with the rest of the train car that you're traveling in. We have also reached Inspiration Point, which is a point that's been thrilling railroad passengers since the Gold Rush. Now, it's a beautiful view all the way down into Skagway Harbor, where the cruise ships are moored, and that body of water you see down there over your left-hand shoulder is the Skagway Harbor and the very end of the Lynn Canal. The Lynn Canal is the largest canal, and it is actually a fjord. It is improperly named. It was not man-made. It was actually Mother Nature made. It was carved out by glaciers. It is over 100 miles long and has depths out there of 2,400 feet. So everybody smile and wave down there is Skagway.
Come on, wave. Sorry.
Here we're approaching Bennett, British Columbia, where the train stops for a museum visit. Bennett is accessible only by rail or by hiking the famous Chilkoot Trail. After the stop in Bennett, the train continues on to Carcross, Yukon Territory. After a visit to Carcross, the 52-mile return to Skagway was via a very scenic bus ride on the Klondike Highway. A long day, but well worth it. The day was one of the highlights of my trip to Alaska.